In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove connected apps in HubSpot. We'll walk through the exact path in HubSpot's interface to safely disconnect an app you no longer need. Before we begin, a quick note. Uninstalling an app stops its data sync and can affect any workflows or features that rely on it. If you're part of a team, make sure you're allowed to manage integrations and consider letting your teammates know about the change so nothing breaks unexpectedly. Start by opening your browser and heading to your search engine. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website. Log into your account with your usual credentials. If you use multiple HubSpot accounts, be sure you're in the correct portal where the app is installed. Once you're in, look to the top navigation bar and click the Marketplace icon. It looks like a small store or shop symbol. From the Marketplace menu, select Connected Apps. This page lists every app currently installed in your HubSpot account, along with their connection status. Find the app you want to remove. Hover your mouse over that app to reveal more options, then click Actions. From the drop-down, choose Uninstall. HubSpot will open a confirmation panel so you can review what you're about to do. To proceed, HubSpot asks you to confirm by typing the word Uninstall into the field provided. Enter it carefully to enable the final button. Then click Uninstall again to confirm. This step ensures the removal is intentional and helps prevent accidental disconnects. After you confirm, HubSpot may prompt you with a brief survey asking why you're uninstalling the app. Select the option that best matches your situation. For example, you might no longer need the integration, you're switching tools, or you're troubleshooting. You may also see a follow-up asking what you plan to do next. Share anything relevant. This feedback helps improve the integration experience, but it won't affect the uninstall itself. When you're finished, click Done. The app will be removed from your connected apps list. If you still see it for a moment, give the page a quick refresh. From now on, HubSpot will no longer sync data or trigger features tied to that integration. If you ever need the app again, you can reconnect it by returning to the marketplace and installing it just like before. That's it. Clean, simple, and safe. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step as you remove connected apps in HubSpot.